Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoTrain.io. Today I just want to show you just a quick little setup that is nicely being set up and to show you how to identify this and how to trade it. So we are on Litecoin on the 4-hour chart. This has absolutely tons of information in it. And you can see that we have a box over here set up, right? So you can see that we have this set up. What is this actually telling us? This is telling us that if price action gets above or into this, we actually want it to go above it. But if it gets into this box, we want to look for a shorting opportunity on the lower time frames. And how do we know that it's going to be a divergence? Is because you can see right here, we clearly have a downward movement right now, and we want the price action to go above that. So if the price action goes above that, it will pull back to this. It's a high probability, probably in the high 90s, that we will come back to this, especially on the higher time frames. Lower time frames, your percentage goes down quite a bit, but here we definitely have a divergence being set up right now. We don't quite have one just yet, but it will be. So what we want to do is we want to look first at our momentum indicator. We want this to come up and not break a new higher high, because this is the momentum indicator. This is going to be the first one that's going to indicate to us that we have a divergence. And the first red candlestick after this divergence sets up, we're going to go short. And when we go short, we want to just target a quick 1 or 2% because we're going to be leveraging 5 or 10x. So we don't want to go crazy on it. This is probably not going to be a reversal, but it does look like we are setting up for a nice divergence. And when you know how to spot these, you can just wait for them to be set up, because trading, the key to trading is patience. And if you want to learn how to trade these divergence or spot them or set them up and how to see them, just join the Discord. The link is in the description box below, and get in there and just introduce yourself, and we'll definitely help you get your trading started.